She does not want you anymore. She does not love you. Well, maybe she still loves you. I don't know. But what I know is she does not want you anymore. And if she tells you she wants you, then you need to say, I understand that, but the judge is saying this relationship is over. So
today in Judge Boyd's court, defendant is here for violating a TPO. Will the judge give him a break? Let's watch and find out. Please be sure to like and subscribe.
Reviewing States Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, have you talked to the complainant?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is the complainant aware of this?
The complainant has not been able to speak with the state.
All right.
The complainant has warrants.
Okay. All right. Defense, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor. I think after review, the client is taking responsibility for his actions, and we would respectfully ask the court to follow the plea agreement.
All right, sir. Do you understand that she does not want you anymore?
No.
So why do you keep going back to her place?
Well, because I got custody of my kids, and she's not supposed to be having custody of outside of a facility without supervision. So
well, that's when you handle that on the civil side. You don't just go to somewhere where you have no contact. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have contact with her while you're on probation out here, you're looking at 5 years prison. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
She does not want you anymore. She does not love you. Well, maybe she still loves you. I don't know. But what I know is she does not want you anymore. And if she tells you she wants you, then you need to say, I understand that, but the judge is saying this relationship is over. So do you understand?
Yes,
your relationship is over.
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't want that relationship to be over, then that means that you wish to go to prison.
Ma'am.
All right. Are you employed?
No, ma'am.
When's the last time you had employment?
2017.
How are you supporting yourself? That money tattoo on your arm, you can't use that for cash at the store.
I'm waiting for SSI.
For what?
I got bipolar disorder, PTSD, because I got stabbed in my neck.
Mm-hmm. When?
And, depression.
So you've been waiting for SSI since 2017?
No, I just recently went when I went to go get my social security card, but gotta wait. There's a long line.
It appears that everybody is getting SSI. So do you have a mental health diagnosis?
I was seeing a psychiatrist out there, yes, ma'am.
What psychiatrist?
Robert Jimenez.
And where is his facility located? All right, I'm going to sentence you to 5 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 5 years. GPS, partial. You're allowed to work and attend medical appointments. MIC evaluation. That can be out of custody. If you miss any of these appointments, they're going to occur in custody. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
When's the last time you used any drugs? Before being taken into custody?
Maybe like 3 months.
And what drugs were you using?
Marijuana.
And what else? Okay. We'll do a referral to felony drug court. If you miss that appointment, you're going to go into custody. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
TAP evaluation, UA hotline, do a referral to Center for Healthcare Services, regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Where are your children now?
I have no idea.
How many do you have?
8.
What are their ages?
I got 2 newborns. One's 2, one's 1.5, and then the other one's 17, 12, and 11. And then the other one's 10.
And are all these children, their mother, is this Justine Banda?
No, she's not the mother of my children.
Oh, so where are they?
They're with the mother of my children.
You just said that you were at Justine Banda's house because there were some custody issues.
With my baby mama. Justine Banda was her friend who does not even reside at the residence.
Let's say mother of our children. That sounds better.
Yes, ma'am.
So are you saying that the mother of your children was with Justine Banda?
Yes, ma'am.
How did you know she was with Justine Banda?
I didn't know. I just went over there to pick up my child.
Your story makes no sense to me. How did you know your children were over there? Did Justine Banda pick up the phone and call you and say, hey, your children are here?
No, I talked to the grandma. We're supposed to have custody. We're supposed to have shared custody. And she told me that she was at my baby mom, at the mother of my children's house. So that's why I went over there to go pick them up. And it was my day to see them.
All right, proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Parenting classes with Rainbow. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. And you're saying you don't know where any of your children are right now?
They told me not to have contact with the mother of my children. So.
Well, I mean, no, you can't have contact with Justine Banda. Is she the mother of your children?
Well, the order was for both of them at the time. But she's not the mother of my children. No.
So you don't know where your children are. They're missing.
They're not missing. They're with the mother. They're with the mother.
All right. Rashawn, can you see and have probation, make sure they see what's happening with these children? Because nobody appears to know where they are. It seems maybe there's an order for them to be with the grandmother, but people are just passing children around to random people. Is there anything else he needs?
Is there a bill contact? And if so, who exactly?
Justine Banda, Banda.
Are there any community service hours?
Yes. We're going to do 200 hours of community service hours restitution, and none of those are going to be waived.
Nothing else on my income.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Anger management classes.
All right. So we're going to do anger management classes. Thank you for telling me that. Anything else you need?
It's not on top of my head right now.
All right. If there's something else you need, let probation know.
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. I'm so sorry. Just one moment. To be an affirmative finding of family violence. It's just so hot today. And instead of anger management, there's going to be the BIPP course. And did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal and you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And because this is an affirmative finding of family violence in a conviction, you're not allowed to own, possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Excuse me, Your Honor.